How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use insight.gg. Now, after installing the application, it will look something like this. So just click on Get Started. And of course, you can customize your personality the way you want to, but to make things easier, you can just click on Next. Now, this is where you want to focus mostly. This will indicate on how well you record your games or how fast. Now, you want to navigate through different options depending on your computer. So if you have a powerful computer, I suggest using high quality. If you have mid-range, of course, it's going to be standard. And lastly, low quality. Now, since my computer can handle it, I'll just click on high quality, click next, and then you have to edit out the storage properties. From there, just navigate through the next step, create your account, and now we are inside our account dashboard. Now from here, you just want to make sure that everything works perfectly. You can click on the gear icon and then you can select your recording the way you want to. So just make sure that the encoder is selected to your graphics card encoder. In here, you have your solution, frame rate, quality, and more. You just want to set your overlay or your hotkey. So the default one is going to be F6, and then it will clip your game for at least 1 minute after pressing the button. So from here, it's as simple as playing a game, and when you encounter an awesome effect or an awesome event, you can just clip it by tapping the F6 button on your keyboard. But just make sure that it is not exit out of the system tree itself, so it will be able to record your game after pressing the hotkey. And so that's how you use insight.gg. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.